Welcome to Technically You, where we simplify complex tech topics and help you stay ahead of the digital curve. Did you know that the average worker switches between 13 different apps nearly 30 times per day? That's exactly why Microsoft Teams has become such a game changer in workplace collaboration.
Those numbers really put things in perspective. It's fascinating how we've evolved from simple email to these comprehensive digital workspaces.
And what's really interesting is how Teams has positioned itself at the center of this evolution. It's not just another communication tool. It's actually a full collaboration platform that's deeply integrated into the Microsoft 365 ecosystem.
You know what I find remarkable? The sheer scale of adoption. Teams now has over 270 million monthly active users worldwide.
That's incredible growth, especially when you consider that before 2020, many organizations were still relying primarily on email and traditional phone systems. Now, let me break down what makes Teams so different. It combines persistent chat, video conferencing, file storage, and over 1,000 app integrations into one unified interface.
Though I have to wonder, how are organizations handling all these features? It seems like it could be overwhelming.
Well, that's actually one of the biggest challenges. Studies show that without proper training, employees typically only use about 35% of Teams' available features. But here's what's fascinating. Companies that invest in comprehensive Teams training see a 40% increase in employee productivity.
Those statistics really highlight the importance of proper implementation and training.
Exactly. And speaking of implementation, let's talk about something really revolutionary: the Teams phone system. Microsoft has essentially transformed Teams into a complete cloud-based phone system that can replace traditional PBX systems.
That must be generating significant cost savings for businesses.
Oh, absolutely. According to recent studies, organizations that switch to Teams phone system see an average of 32% reduction in telephony costs. Plus, they're reporting up to 45 minutes saved per employee per day just from having everything integrated into one platform.
Those efficiency gains are impressive. How does the phone system actually work with existing infrastructure?
That's where something called hosted direct routing comes in. It's basically a bridge between traditional phone systems and Teams. Organizations can keep their existing phone numbers and carriers while still getting all the benefits of Teams integration. And here's something interesting. About 60% of large enterprises are now using this hybrid approach.
The technical implementation must be pretty complex, though.
Well, yes and no. While the backend involves session border controllers and SIP trunking, for end users it's remarkably simple. They just use Teams like they always have, but now they can make and receive regular phone calls too. Studies show the average user adoption time is just 3 days.
Let's talk about security. That's always a major concern with digital tools.
Microsoft has really stepped up here. Teams includes enterprise-grade encryption, multi-factor authentication, and advanced threat protection. In fact, recent security assessments show that Teams meets 95% of common compliance requirements right out of the box.
Those security features must be particularly crucial for remote work scenarios.
You know what's interesting about remote work? Teams usage analytics show that the average remote worker actually collaborates with 33% more colleagues compared to their office-based counterparts. It's really challenging the traditional notion that remote work leads to isolation.
That's fascinating. It seems like Teams is actually expanding our professional networks.
Exactly. And here's another surprising stat. Companies using Teams report a 17% increase in cross-departmental collaboration. The platform is literally breaking down organizational silos.
Though managing all these interactions must require some careful planning.
That's right. And this is where governance becomes crucial. Organizations that implement clear Teams usage policies see 45% less channel sprawl and a 60% reduction in notification fatigue. It's all about finding the right balance.
So what do you see as the future of Teams in workplace collaboration?
Well, Microsoft is heavily investing in AI integration. We're talking about features like real-time translation in 40 languages, automatic meeting transcription, and predictive file sharing. Early adopters of these AI features are reporting up to 25% improved meeting efficiency.
Those AI capabilities could really transform how we work together.
And here's what I find most exciting. Teams is becoming this digital headquarters where company culture actually lives and evolves. Recent surveys show that 72% of employees feel more connected to their colleagues when using Teams effectively.
That's a powerful testament to how technology can enhance human connection.
Looking ahead, I think we'll see Teams continue to evolve as the nature of work changes. The key is remembering that it's not just about the technology, it's about how we use it to build better, more collaborative workplaces.
Thanks for tuning in to Technically You. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe for more insights into the tech shaping our world. And if you've got a favorite Teams tip or integration, drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.